I started using the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G, which is the company's more affordable folding phone to launch alongside the Galaxy Z Fold3 5G. And guys, right now I'm in a dilemma. Should I flip or should I fold? Lucky for me, I have both the phones in my possession, so I can decide this part later. But for now, here are my first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G. Hello everyone, Aman here from Mr. Phone, and before we begin, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already and turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest videos. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G is an eye-catchy smartphone, and literally words don't do justice as to how gorgeous this phone looks in person. I have received the Z Flip3 in the Phantom Black color variant and it looks sexy. The glossy outer from the OG Flip is gone, and what we have now is the new matte finish similar to the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the Galaxy Z Fold3 5G. Even the frame is matte black, feels smooth to the touch, and this is where Samsung has used aerospace grade alloy protection dubbed Armor Aluminum, which the company claims is about 20% more durable than last year's model. The outer of the Galaxy Z Flip3 5G is protected by Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus, while on the inside there's an ultra thin glass which admittedly is on the softer side. However, this time around there's a high quality screen protector that comes pre-applied, and it should definitely help to prevent the main screen from scuffs and scratches. And as we are on the topic of the display, the Galaxy Z Flip3 5G features a beautiful 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x Infinity Flex display with a center-aligned hole punch camera and thin uniform bezels all around. And despite being such a large panel, the phone is fairly easy to operate with one hand as well, thanks to the tall 22:9 aspect ratio. And the cherry on top is the 120Hz adaptive screen refresh rate, which helps in delivering a smooth experience across the UI. There's no doubt this is a well-calibrated display, no second thoughts about that. Brightness levels, contrast levels, black levels, or the color reproduction, everything is top-notch. Of course, you do feel the crease in between while swiping or scrolling across, but you get used to it, not a deal breaker at all. Finally, on the outside is a significantly larger 1.9-inch Super AMOLED cover screen versus the 1.1-inch cover screen found on the OG Flip. Apart from this, the hinge also feels refined more than ever. I know I said the same thing about the Galaxy Z Fold3 as well, but I don't know, man. Samsung has once again done a pretty solid job. Overall, this hinge right here is sturdy and it inspires confidence whenever you go around flipping this smartphone. I mean, I don't even know how many times by now I have opened and closed the smartphone, and the thud sound it makes when you shut this phone, that's satisfying. The Galaxy Z Flip3 5G is also IPX8 rated, making it one of the first ever water-resistant foldable smartphones alongside the Galaxy Z Fold3. Apart from this, the phone is powered by the Snapdragon 888 SoC, and it comes in a choice of two variants, 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, which is priced at 84,999 rupees, and 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage. This is the top-end variant. This is priced at 88,999 rupees. As for the software experience, there's One UI 3.1.1 atop Android 11. There's also a 3300 mAh battery under the hood, which supports up to 15 watt of wired charging and up to 10 watt of wireless charging. In terms of optics, you get dual rear cameras comprising a 12 megapixel main sensor and a 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor. Finally, at the front, that is on the cover screen, you'll find the 10 megapixel selfie snapper situated in the hole punch. Of course, I'm reserving my final judgments for now when it comes to the battery life, the camera performance, or in fact the phone's overall performance. All of this and much more coming up in my full review, so if you don't want to miss that, definitely stay tuned to Mr. Phone. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.